In this video, we'll walk through the installation of GAF Tiger Paw Deck Protection. Before getting started, prep the deck by removing debris and making sure it's dry. Remove and replace any damaged decking. When re-roofing, always check for proper under-deck moisture control and ventilation, and address any potential for moisture buildup or condensation. At eaves, hips, and valleys, install deck protection after installing the leak barrier. At rakes and roof penetrations, install deck protection first, then install the leak barrier. When not using leak barrier at the rake, install deck protection before the drip edge to help prevent damage to the structure. Always check local building codes, as some may require different installation of deck protection. First, unroll the deck protection across the roof and align it parallel to the eave. Fasten the deck protection using only plastic cap, corrosion-resistant nails or staples with plastic caps. Ensure a smooth surface by eliminating wrinkles before fastening. Fasten sides and end laps every 12 inches, using the markings as a guide. Next, fasten the middle with 2 staggered rows of fasteners spaced 24 inches apart, again using the markings as a guide. Double this pattern in high wind areas. The slope of the roof will determine the amount of overlap you need for additional courses of deck protection. For roofs with a 4-on-12 slope or more, overlap the preceding courses by 3 inches at the top and bottom. Overlap 6 inches at the end lap and offset from adjacent end laps by 3 feet. Lower slope roofs with a pitch from 2.5-on-12 to 4-on-12 will need more overlap. Overlap a full 25.5 inches over the underlying course and continue up the roof using a 22.5-inch exposure. Be sure to check out more GAF Pro Series installation videos. Good luck with your roofing project.